Today, we will practice useful English while exploring Ryusendo Cave in Iwate.
Ryusendo is famous for its beautiful blue underground lakes and mysterious cave scenery.
We will walk through long passages, see stalactites, and visit 3 underground lakes.
We will also visit the Cave Science Museum, enjoy local food, and review English at an inn.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's enjoy slow English in this beautiful blue underground world. We finally arrived at Ryusendo Cave.
The forest and river around the entrance are beautiful.
The air already feels cool and fresh.
How do I say tanoshimi ni shite in English?
You can say, I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
Perfect. That phrase is useful before a special trip.
I can hear water flowing near the cave.
Yes, this place feels peaceful and refreshing.
Let's buy our tickets and get ready.
Good idea. I brought a light jacket for the cave.
Our blue underground adventure starts here. The air becomes much cooler as soon as we enter.
The sound of water makes the entrance feel mysterious.
How do I say uwagi ga hitsuyo desu in English?
You can say, I need a jacket.
I need a jacket.
Excellent. That phrase is useful in cool places.
The cave walls are wet and shining under the lights.
We should walk carefully because the floor is damp.
The temperature feels comfortable with this jacket.
I like the fresh air coming from deep inside.
Let's follow the path slowly.
Yes, I want to enjoy every detail. This long passage goes deep into the cave.
The narrow shape makes it feel like a dragon's path.
How do I say oku e tsuzuite imasu in English?
You can say, it continues deeper inside.
It continues deeper inside.
Perfect. That phrase is useful for paths and tunnels.
This area is also known as the Bat Cavern.
I will speak quietly so we do not disturb them.
The cave feels alive, even though it is very quiet.
The water drops echo along the passage.
That sound makes the atmosphere even more special.
Let's continue toward the spring. This is called the Fountain of Long Life.
The clear water looks cool and refreshing.
How do I say mizu ga sundeimasu in English?
You can say, the water is crystal clear.
The water is crystal clear.
Excellent. That phrase is perfect for Ryusendo.
Nearby, the rock formation looks like a dragon's head.
That must be why this place is called Dragon's Abyss.
The dark water adds to the mysterious feeling.
I like how every place has its own story.
This cave is full of legends and natural beauty.
Let's move toward the larger chamber. This large chamber is called the Imperial Palace.
The stalactites create a grand and elegant view.
How do I say marude kyuden desu in English?
You can say, It looks like a palace.
It looks like a palace.
Perfect. That phrase matches this chamber very well.
The changing lights make the rocks look magical.
Some formations look like curtains and pillars.
Nature created all of this over a very long time.
I could stand here and look up for a long time.
This is one of the most impressive parts of the cave.
The first underground lake is just ahead. This is the first underground lake.
The blue water looks deep and beautiful.
How do I say suikomare so desu in English?
You can say, it feels like it pulls me in.
It feels like it pulls me in.
Excellent. That describes this deep blue view well.
The light reveals different shades of blue.
The surface is so still that it looks like glass.
I understand why people remember this place.
The darkness around the lake makes the blue brighter.
Let's take a quiet moment here.
Yes, this view deserves time. The second underground lake feels even more mysterious.
The water seems to continue far below us.
How do I say fukasa ga souzou dekimasen in English?
You can say, I cannot imagine how deep it is.
I cannot imagine how deep it is.
Perfect. That phrase works well for deep water.
The blue color changes as we move around the lake.
It almost looks like light is coming from the water.
This place is quiet enough to hear every drop.
The cave feels larger than I expected.
We still have one more underground lake to see.
Let's continue carefully along the stairs. We reached the third underground lake.
The blue darkness feels powerful and endless.
How do I say ichiban inshoteki desu in English?
You can say, it is the most impressive.
It is the most impressive.
Excellent. That phrase is perfect for a highlight.
This is the deepest point visitors can reach on the tour.
It is amazing that more lakes continue beyond this point.
The observation route gives us another view from above.
The stairs are steep, so let's take our time.
I will remember this blue water for a long time.
Me too. It feels like the heart of Ryusendo. Now we are visiting the Ryusen Shindo Science Museum.
The cave itself is used as part of the museum.
How do I say benkyou ni narimasu in English?
You can say, I am learning a lot.
I am learning a lot.
Perfect. That phrase is useful at museums.
We can see how stalactites and stone pillars form.
The displays also explain how people used caves long ago.
I like learning the science after seeing the real cave.
The water here shines like a mirror under the light.
This museum makes the trip more meaningful.
Let's get some local food after this. This local meal looks warm and delicious.
The cold cave made me hungry.
How do I say, nani ga osusume desu ka in English?
You can say, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend?
Excellent. You can use that at any restaurant.
The water from Ryusendo tastes clean and refreshing.
After dinner, we can review English at the inn.
I would like to check in first.
Good phrase. That is important when traveling.
Tonight, I want to remember the phrases from the cave.
Let's change into yukata and begin our review. Let's review some useful English from our Ryusendo trip.
The first phrase is, I was looking forward to it.
At the entrance, we practiced, "I need a jacket."
In the long passage, we said, it continues deeper inside.
At the spring, we used, "The water is crystal clear."
In the large chamber, we said, it looks like a palace.
At the first lake, we practiced, "It feels like it pulls me in."
At the second lake, we used, I cannot imagine how deep it is.
At the third lake, we learned, "It is the most impressive."
At the museum, we said, I am learning a lot.
At the restaurant, we asked, "What do you recommend?"
At the inn, I remembered, I would like to check in.
These phrases are simple, natural, and useful for travel.
I want to use them again on our next cave trip. Today, we explored Ryusendo Cave and practiced useful English.
We walked through long passages, saw beautiful formations, and visited 3 blue underground lakes.
I especially enjoyed the deep blue water and mysterious atmosphere.
I loved the Imperial Palace and the Cave Science Museum.
Slow English is a great way to enjoy travel and study together.
Please repeat the phrases again for more listening and speaking practice.
Thank you for joining us on this trip to Ryusendo.
We hope this lesson helps you enjoy English with beautiful Japanese cave scenery.
Please like the video if you enjoyed it.
And please subscribe for more slow English travel lessons.
See you again at the next famous cave.
Thank you very much for watching.